Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BNGO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, quite the eventful day on this one after what was a very, very impressive, a very, very kind of hope-inducing day on Thursday. And just to, build context, there was the very nice bounce. So the question was, all right, is this the start of something bigger? But no, that completely rolled back over and back down it's gone, which has now put the price well within striking distance of a couple other now key levels of support. And while it's not down there yet, like I said, it's certainly within striking distance now of the 705 mark, which when you go through the history of things, you can see 705 has a history of providing support. And in fact, not only providing support, but creating a very nice bounce. Now, I wish I could say trading was this easy. I'm not saying that if the price goes down to 705, then the price is going to go on an epic bounce again. But what I am saying is it's a rational thought to just say, all right, hey, this area has acted as support before. Let's see if some buyers are still hanging around down there, and let's see if maybe it can generate a bounce once again. Let me really reiterate, I'm not saying that a bounce is guaranteed to happen because those just don't exist in the market. But my point here is it's at least it's at least a rational thought to have. So keep an eye on 705 as it does seem to be, well within striking distance now. If the price does go down there and doesn't hold above it, at that point, next area of support would then be considered down there at the 690 mark. So 705, 690 key levels of resistance. If there is any sort of attempted bounce in the upwards direction, it's all about that purple line now, that 50 period moving average. I know I've talked about that before, but that is just going to be the very clear-cut level where even if there are bounces, I'd be skeptical until the price can prove itself. And what do I mean by prove itself? How am I defining that? Well, again, not only breaking above that purple line, but then being able to stay up above it. So yeah, disappointing way to end the week, but we'll have to see if things can get itself turned around or not next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.